Okay, everyone, the question says a piece of wire 44 centimeter long is cut into two parts. Each part is bent to form a square. Given that the total area of the two squares is 65 centimeters square, find the perimeter of each square. Suppose we can say that this is a wire, okay, wire of 44 centimeter. So this is a wire of 44 centimeter. And we will cut this one into two parts so that we will get two square. Okay. Each part is bent to form a square. So each part will be a square. We can say that this one is a big square and this one is the small square. So here, if we cut this 44 into two parts, then we can say if this one is A, then this one must be 44 minus A. Then the whole perimeter of the first square is A and the perimeter of second square is 44 minus A. If perimeter is A, then length of this small square will be A by 4. And if the perimeter of this square is 44 minus A, perimeter is 44 minus A, then length must be 44 minus A by 4. Because here, how many sides are given? 4 sides. L, 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 L. So 4L equal to 44 minus A. So L should be 44 minus A by 4. That means length of a square will be perimeter divided by 4. This is the formula for length of a square from the perimeter. Now, second part, given that the total area means what is the area of this one? If each side represent A by 4, then the area will be A by 4 whole square. Because area of a square is length square. So A by 4 whole square. Then what is the area of this square? It must be 44 minus A by 4 whole square. Why? Because length is 44 minus A by 4. Then area will be 44 minus A by 4 whole square. And the question says sum of these two area must be 65. So according to the question, we can write A by 4 whole square plus 44 minus A by 4 whole square equal to 65. Now we need to find out the value of A. A by 4 whole square can be written as A square by 16 plus 4 square, that will be 16. Here A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square, that means A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay. So 44 square. So what is 44 square? That will be 1936 minus 2 into 44 into A, that will be 88A plus A square equal to 65. Now 16 is the denominator. So here the LCM of these two denominator will be 16. So we need to add the upper one. So A square plus 1936 minus 88A plus A square will be 65. A square plus A square will be 2A square minus 88A plus 1936 equal to 65 multiplied by 16. So 65 multiplied by 16 will be 1040. We will get 2A square minus 88A plus 1936 minus 1040. So here we will get plus 896 equal to 0. Now from this part we can say that if we divide each term by 2, then we'll get A square minus 44A plus 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16 equal to 0. Now we need to do the middle term, okay, to find out the correct answer. So 4 4 8 we can divide by 2, so 2 2 4, again divide by 2 1 1 2, divided by 2 will be 56, divided by 2 will be 28, 2, 14, 2, 7. 16 plus 28. So a square minus 16a minus 28a plus 448 equal to 0. Now take a as a common factor, a minus 16 minus 28 as a common factor, we get a minus 16 equal to 0. So here we will get a minus 16 into a minus 28 equal to 0. So here either a equal to 16 or 28. So we can say that the perimeter of each square, that one will be 16 and another one will be 28. So what is the answer here? The perimeter of each square will be 16 centimeter and 28 centimeter, because if you subtract 16 from 44, you will get 28. If you subtract 28 from 44, you will get 16. So answer will be 16 centimeter and 28 centimeter.